Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the competition we had at a new pond. I ended up with like 11 or 12 fish, and Adel ended up with like 12 to 13. We had a little competition. I think it ended up like 11, 12. Just what I think, but anyways, just watch the video.
Hello.
Hello. I'm in mud. Where does that place you to? How many bags? 11. 11?
Got the 11.
Ooh, this one's a good one. Maybe.
There he goes.
Woo! And look, got a good one. Nice fish. And we're making a sweetie doodle. Then he got one! He finally caught it. See if he can get it in shore. And he got a good sized one. At least for this pond.
Show it to me.
Yeah, that was a very, very good tournament. If you want a video on how to fish a new pond, a new bigger pond like that, leave it down in the comments. I might be able to do one. And Lord willing, we might be able to go up to northern Minnesota to the Boundary Waters with lots of fishing, very, very pretty views, lots of animals, and etc, etc, etc. We'll be out in the middle of nowhere fishing for pike, smallmouth, hopefully very, very good smallmouth fishing. But I don't care whether we'll be fishing for pike, walleye, smallmouth, anything that will bite. It should be very, very good. The fish are still there. Apparently it's not the best time to go, but the fishing is still very good. I've been there before in September and August, and we haven't had a day that wasn't good. So every time I've been up there, we've done good at fishing. So anyways, please comment any videos that you would like to see on this channel, and see you guys on the next adventure.